Hey viewers, welcome to the premiere, and in this video I finally beat my hardest challenge in Roblox doors. How this works is that you have to beat the game with modifiers until there is 200% knob bonus, and then you have to win. So yeah, these are the modifiers I chose. Anyways, if you want the raw footage, then you can check my description because there is going to be a bunch of speed ups and also a bunch of voiceover. So yeah, enjoy the premiere. Here we are, the first doors in this floor. So this pretty much just takes a bunch of patience, and you gotta heal up more until you get to the first seek, and that's pretty much it. That's how you do this challenge. You gotta pretty much survive, save up items for later game because later game is gonna be much harder. I chose all of the rush modifiers, but those can easily be avoided if you use Blitz O and A60 and Room for More. What those two do is if you have Rush Hour, then Rush will be less likely to spawn, especially with ambush modifiers too. So yeah. And once you hear screen
A60.
Once you hear the ground shake or see the ground shake, then you want to immediately use enter a locker. I tried seeing double again because I don't want Giggle to be more active. Actually, maybe I'll try bad time modifier instead. Actually, no, I don't know. Maybe I should have tried think fast. Oh, yes, Louis. Which was the door? I think it was 107. It's 107. It's this door. This door. No, not that door. This door. Yes, okay. It seems like really bad time doesn't affect Giggle. Alright, we got good health though. Yikes. Oh my goodness. I had no idea what was happening. I thought... My goodness, there's gloom bats. Is Giggle here? Giggle's not here. It's fine, I guess. I think it's fine. I think we're fine. No, that was Blitz. Halt. No. Yikes. No. Nope. Okay. It's the other way then. Other way. Let's go. Nope. 129. Another shear? There's no boxes? Another shears? There was not much to talk about in this part, so I simply just cut to the chase. I'm gonna eat the bread. Yikes. Alright, immediately crouch. Left. Oh my goodness. No. No. You're right. Okay. I'm gonna crouch. Because I immediately crouch since the chase is done in case A90 spawns. And also eyes can spawn, so make sure you crouch so that you don't get hit by eyes. The minecart. Louis keeps spawning now. I think I'll personally keep, I think I'll eat the cheese and then take this. Let me just... No matter what, I want a crucifix so that there will be no trouble. Shoot. Shoot. Right here. Grubble, no. Yikes. Nope. A90's not killing me either. 437. 437. One more acre. Okay, he was right behind me. He must have went down from that hole. The anchor is like right there. Okay, I see it. Yikes, A90. I feel like they nerfed A90 because like I was like. I can use shears here again, and then I'm gonna try and get a crucifix. I only have one more use for the shears. I gotta make this count. Strap light. It's okay. I probably should have kept the shears. Actually, not. But I can trade it. I can trade the shears. I can trade this strap light. 2, 1, 2. Crumble. Trade this. Give me something like a lockpick or something. Anything helps. Anything helps. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. What am I doing? What am I doing? Yikes. Trade the strap. Give me something great. Lockpicks. I can use that. That's good. That is awesome. You know what? Give me another lockpick or something. I can trade again one more time. Maybe. Lockpick is good. Another lockpick. I can skip that entire figure room now. I can skip that entire figure room now. I have a feeling I'm not gonna beat this though. No! Give me back my... Now, I'm gonna need to find a hiding spot. Or something. Only 52. Dude, A60? Dude, what? That's crazy. I should have stored that band-aid in my bandage pack. 153. Giggle is here. No. Giggle's right there. We good. We good. Yes. Oh my goodness! Again! Whoa. Jeez. That is terrible. Alright. 159. 159. No one. Go. Again? Ambush? Oh my goodness, it's ambush. It's ambush. He's gone. Alive. $162. That's 164, so I gotta find a hiding spot or something. No, I can't. 164. Hope for the best or something. What? A60. No idea. Wait, Whenever go my chase starter, probably. Alright. Second steep chase. So 176. 177. That was Dread. I heard Dread. 178. 179. Come on. Go. $180. Yikes. Okay. Okay. 181. Pray, for real. Pray to RNG. $182. Figure! Wait, where's my lockpicks? Where'd my lockpicks go? Wait. I lost my lockpicks, bruh. I could have skipped this entire room. Okay. Just listen to sound cues or whatever. Let's start with that. No! No! I dropped them in the chase. Oh. No. Please. Bro, he won't leave. Maybe I can date him. Let's try that. Dude. Sure, I'm gonna go in. Go ahead, screw it. Dread is gonna kill me probably. So. The fuse! Oh, buddy. Watch out about Dread. I know. I know. This is why this is the worst room in the game. They need to remake this room. Like, where is Sewers Plus? Please. Go! Please! Get out! 183. We're good. But not for long, though. 184. Then go. Yep, it's Blitz. Come on, go. Go. Oh my gosh! And without a crucifix. Oh my gosh! What? Dude. Where'd he come from? There's nothing, okay. Oh no. Door 193. Get it! Go! It's 193, right? Yes! Please. No. Let's give this. Let's give this. Let's give this. This is garbage. It's whatever. What? Let's take these glow sticks anyway. 195. Oh no. Wait. Door 196 is where I usually die. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Run for it. Go! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! No! Oh my goodness. 197. There's gotta be one more spawn. There's the door! Camping. I'm camping this. There's nothing. Dude. Please! No way. No way. I'm Dude! I just realized, Rush didn't spawn once. Rush did not spawn once. Door 200, bro. Door 200. We're here. Okay. There's still a 90. But there's no more screeches. Here it is. Here's the list of modifiers. Dude, I can't believe it.